2023 farewell. Discontinued cars bid adieu as automakers shift gears for 2024. As the automotive world marches forward into the heart of 2023, we find ourselves bidding a fond farewell to a lineup of cherished vehicles. With the curtain drawing close on this chapter, automakers unveil their visions for the future, leaving behind a trail of discontinued cars, trucks, and SUVs that have graced our roads. Luxury stalwarts such as Audi and Mercedes-Benz join American marques like Chrysler and Dodge in the symphony of transition, while even the realm of supercars is not immune to change. Join us in paying homage to these automotive legends as they make their exit, leaving a void for the new generation to fill. Alpina BMW B7. The Alpina B7, a beacon of performance derived from the BMW 7 Series, faces its twilight as the curtain falls on Alpina's independent journey, merging into BMW's embrace. A farewell to an era of distinctive engineering. Audi R8. The illustrious Audi R8, a testament to supercar prowess, takes its final bow after 16 years of captivating performance. Its departure marks the end of an era where power and elegance converged. Audi TT. The Audi TT, an icon of sporty elegance for 25 years, takes its graceful exit from the stage. As we bid adieu to this embodiment of style and speed, the road ahead is paved with memories. Chevrolet Bolt EV and Bolt EUV as Chevrolet's compact EV pioneers. The Bolt EV and its larger counterpart, the Bolt EUV, ride off into the sunset. A new dawn awaits, promising innovation and electrifying journeys. Chevrolet Camaro Turbo. The Camaro Turbo bows out, marking the end of an era for this four-cylinder dynamo. A symphony of V6 power now takes center stage, echoing the spirit of American muscle. Chrysler 300. With a limited production run, the Chrysler 300 takes its final lap after an impressive 18-year tenure. A symbol of luxury and performance bids adieu, leaving behind a legacy of refinement. Dodge Challenger and Charger. The Dodge Challenger and Charger, synonymous with power and adrenaline, face their curtain call. A new electrified dawn beckons as Dodge embarks on an audacious journey. Dodge Hellcat models. The roaring Hellcat lineup reaches its crescendo, bidding farewell to an era of unbridled horsepower. The echoes of these mighty engines will linger, an ode to a fearless chapter. Ferrari F8 Tributo and Portofino M. Ferrari's masterpieces, the F8 Tributo and Portofino M, embrace their final act. A captivating duet of performance and elegance concludes, paving the way for a new era of innovation. Ford Edge. Amid labor disputes and the electric revolution, the Ford Edge takes its leave from American roads. A chapter of versatility and comfort closes, while new horizons beckon. Ford Fiesta. The Ford Fiesta, a beloved European presence, fades into the horizon. A symphony of memories resonates as the Fiesta makes its graceful exit, making way for electric evolution. Genesis G70. The Genesis G70, a symbol of luxury and sophistication, embarks on its final voyage in the U.S. As it yields the stage, the spotlight now shines on a new generation of Genesis wonders. Kia Stinger. The Kia Stinger, a testament to sporty exuberance, prepares for its final performance, with a tribute edition capturing its essence. The Stinger's legacy lives on in the annals of automotive history. Mazda CX-9 and MX-30. The Mazda CX-9, a faithful companion on family journeys, bids adieu as the CX-9 takes its place. The compact MX-30F, a trailblazer of innovation, makes way for future electric endeavors. McLaren 720S. The McLaren 720S takes a final bow, leaving a legacy of unparalleled speed and artistry. As the curtain falls, anticipation builds for the next act in McLaren's riveting performance. Mercedes-Benz C-Class Cabriolet. C-Class Coupe, CLS, E-Class Cabriolet and E-Class Coupe. The Mercedes-Benz lineup undergoes a transformation, bidding farewell to the C-Class Cabriolet, Coupe, CLS, E-Class Cabriolet, and Coupe. As two-door legends take their leave, a new era of luxury and innovation beckons. Nissan Maxima. Nissan's Maxima, a stalwart of full-size elegance, embarks on its final voyage. A chapter of refined luxury concludes, making space for a new narrative in the realm of electric possibilities. As we salute these departing vehicles, let us remember the memories they've etched on the roads and in our hearts. A new dawn rises, promising innovation electrification, and a continued passion for the road ahead.